everyone. The different elements of nature give us a lot of joy. These different elements like leaves, flowers, fruits and birds are so beautiful. Today, we will make some art using the different elements of nature. This is my friend. He'll help me today.
We will need flowers of different shapes and sizes. You can take papers of any color. I will take a white paper. Now, dip the flowers in paint and make flower impressions on the paper. Now, we will make flowers again, but we will use leaves and paint to do so. Take the leaves and dip them in paint. Let us begin. Look, I also collected some pebbles during my nature walk. We will paint these pebbles. Let's take the paint and make some patterns on the pebbles.
You can also do the same with your artwork. It will be a great gift and it is so much fun. Did you have fun today? Well, I did. That's it. Bye-bye.